Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are accessing the different pages, either those who has images and other don't have the images. Can you give us the difference between of those who has images and those that haven't image in the comment section, please? Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert an image in the HTML page so that you can make it very attractive, right? So as you see here, once I run this program, you see this is an output. I already inserted image in this HTML page. So keep watching this video. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert or embed image in your HTML page. So first of all, let us use heading 1 to write this statement of what we are going to do. How to insert, right? Insert image in HTML page, right? This is what we are going to do. So now we are going to use the image tag, this one, and remember that this image tag is the type of empty tag. You don't need to close it, right? So after writing image tag, now you will get where to place or write the path of your image, right? So by using this CRC attribute, which is stand for source, it's like a source of your image in your device, right? So you see the image we want to insert is already inserted in our folder, right? This one, you see, let us use this image here, which is woman image, right? So to insert this image in my page, I must put it in folder where I'm writing my code, right? For example, here we are going to use this G double computer tutorials folder is what we are using. So make sure that your image is saved in folder that you are using. That's why here you can write woman image, as you see, like this, as is inserted here, and then .gpg, right? GPG as an extension of our image, right? So once I save it and run my page, you see now image is already inserted.